Recently, I searched the internet looking for what holds people from achieving their goals. What's the problem? We all want to make $10,000 as a passive income, want to be number one in college, want to travel and see the world, and we all want to go to paradise. So, what holds us from reaching our dreams and catch our freedom? This is exactly what I'm gonna share with you in this video. Hey family, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Ahmed Basri, translator, entrepreneur, and instructor. The first problem that we all face is the fear of perfectionism. 90% of people don't start because they think they are not good enough, as researches show. I wanna start freelancing for, I don't know, video editing, designing. Actually, designing is doing well, so I'm gonna choose designing. Wait a second. Wait. What if somebody asks me to design a logo? I'm not good at logos, so I need to study and get a course about logo. Okay. Hold a minute. What if somebody asks me to design a thumbnail? I don't know how to design a thumbnail, so I need to take a course. Alright, should I search the YouTube for that thing? Let me tell you, I'm not good enough. There's no reason to start. Okay, no thanks. I'm telling you guys, just start and everything will come later. You don't have to know everything about it right now, because as Robert Kiyosaki mentioned in his book Rich Dad Poor Dad, poor people will say only, I can't afford that. That's not the case. I can do it. That's exactly what entrepreneurs think about it. If you're an entrepreneur or want to be an entrepreneur, so an entrepreneur will think about it. Okay, I'm gonna start freelancing. Okay, I'm gonna just start right now. If I had a client and he asked me to do a logo for him, all right, I'm gonna do it. If I lose him, it's no problem. It's my first time. And I'm gonna search about it and learn about designing the logo. What if he asked me to design a whip? Okay, I'm not good at that. Okay, I'm gonna search about it. He needs it in 30 days. Okay, 30 days. 1 week. Okay, I'm gonna do it in 1 week. And boom, I'm gonna go and take a course about it. I'm gonna go and visit YouTube. I'm gonna ask somebody to help me. And that's it. Just start and you'll learn in the process. That's so much important, guys. For example, if I haven't started my YouTube channel from using, my old phone, using my dad's laptop and in my uncle's apartment, I started like that and still got money from a course that I uploaded on Udemy, and I made $140 from that one course in only 3 or 4 months. But I had nothing. I had no skill. I didn't know how to edit. I didn't know how to film. I didn't even have a book or something that's in my mind. Okay, I just started a course about TOEFL and it did well. And actually, this is a clip from that course. I hope you like it. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Asaga. Welcome to this course where you'll learn how to prepare for the TOEFL test in 30 days without wasting a dollar. Before we start, if you feel that I'm speaking too slowly or too fast, please change the video speed. In this course, you'll get everything that you need in your journey to prepare for the TOEFL test, starting from the time you decided to take the test until you're at the test center. The second problem that holds us from starting is thinking about what would people think about me. Actually, what makes people think about being perfect before they start is what will people think about it? What will my friends say about it? What will my family say about it? Okay, am I doing well? They will laugh, of course. Okay, I can't start like that. I need to be better. But you know what? Nobody cares. Nobody cares if you started a YouTube channel and monetize it and make money. Nobody cares if you started side hustling. Nobody cares if you started freelancing. Nobody even cares. Online is everything nowadays and nobody will even know about it unless you tell them. Or unless you get better and better and you get famous. For example, I'm doing this video right now and nobody knows about it. You know that because my first language is Arabic and my family and my friends are speaking Arabic and my audience are English people. So nobody knows about it. And some people know about it. Yeah, my friends, some of them know about it. But what would they say? I'm not using them as an audience. So I'm just making my own business. Don't care about people. And actually, to be honest, the situation nowadays is not good, is not the best. Guys, even if somebody knows about you, okay, what will he think about you? He will not think about you because he's having some troubles. Life is not easy. Life is very hard nowadays and nobody will care about you. Maybe your father and mother only or some members of your family. But in general, nobody cares if you are making $1 million or $1. Living is getting hard. Prices are getting higher and higher and people want to live. They'll not think about you. Just start, begin. Don't tell them until you get good. So if they knew about it, okay, what do you think? What would they say? What's the worst thing that will happen for you? Just think about that. If you started something, what's the worst thing that could happen. Will you die? Will you lose your friends? Crush them. Don't you need them. If they are not gonna support you, they are lying. They are not good friends. They are actually using you just to waste time, I don't know, to make you pay for dinner and something. If they are not supporting you, then they are not honest friends. Then leave them. That's the best for you. Because if you're getting a successful person, you will actually lose 90% of your friends. And that's actually based on some search sheets. Because if you looked at all those celebrities and famous people, they don't have the same, the same friends. They lose them in the process in order to get their goals. If you didn't lose them, that means they are really good friends. Taking these two problems aside, let's see what's the benefit from starting right now. Speed is the most important thing, because we are watching this video because we know that's a valuable invest for us in our life. And you know that time is more valuable than money. We can always make more money, but we can't make any time. If I'm gonna live for 40 years, then I'm gonna die at that day. And also, if you started earlier, you will get rich earlier, you will make more money, you will achieve your goals earlier, and you don't know when you will die. So you should do your goals before you die, and that's why speed comes first. And I learned this lesson from Andrew Tate's course that's called the University Hustles, and he speaks about 100 business lessons he learned from his life. And the first one he mentioned was speed. He said that speed is everything. Actually, the course was great. It costed me $2,000. But if you want to know more about it, I can make a full video about it. So just tell me, and I might make the top 10 lessons from that 100 lessons. And for this video, the challenge is not the same as the previous videos. So I want you to ask somebody for $1 right now. After finishing this video, you are gonna just go and send, I don't know, as more as possible people to send you $1 to give you the power of starting now. You will only send them this message: "Hey Ahmed, I'm taking this course, Transform Your Life in 5 days. I challenge you to fail, and they told me I need to get $1 from someone. You are the first person I thought of, and it would mean a lot to have your support. Can you send me $1 right now? Best regards, add your name." Share us the result and tell us how much did you get. See you in the next video.